Okay, they didn't paint it, but it looks like they could have. Now this will blow your socks off. The bridge. It's nearly 1,000 feet off the water and 2,000 foot long, making it the largest concrete arch support bridge in North America and the 4th largest one in the world. And that arch matches the arch of the Hoover Dam. I think that is so cool.
Wow.
It didn't mess up the canyon at all.
It's going to be a 6
I want to park in the park garage down here.
That's the bridge they're building. The dam's right over there. See part of the dam way down there.
Look at that. It's pretty cool.
Stuff afterwards.
I couldn't get it all in when I was over there.
180. Then they'll put the water in, those switches and produce power. So whenever you see the turquoise, it's bringing the turbine online. The 600-foot long building on the far side of the river, the Arizona power plant with 9 turbines. The equal building on our side, 600 feet, is a Nevada power plant with 8 more turbines. That's all of them. The flat building at the face of the dam right here is the foundation of the dam. We're looking at a 580-foot wall. It's actually 726.4. That building is the foundation. It's got machine shops, things like that. Then it goes 137 feet of solid concrete all the way.
So these cables run across the top, and then there's a crane, and there's somebody, I'm telling the people on camera, there's somebody hanging in a basket working on the bridge. Way out there. Now let me zoom out and show you how far that is. They're way out there, guys. There is a staircase way down there.
When they backed it up and they put the red line in. The red line has sensors and a net that goes all the way to the bottom that keeps scuba and submarine away from these towers. Because this is important. If you damage this tower, you shut down the dam and the lake would eventually flood and it'd be a big deal. You can't destroy the wall, but you could destroy these. So they keep them away. If you look at kind of the square sections in that grading and
the towers are taller than the Statue of Liberty. The other
10
half
years
is
ago,
underwater.
1995 through 2000, half of the top of them was visible. The water was at that level. We're going to go inside.
We're in the dam. Yeah, that'd be a long one.
Over to the right, folks. Arizona wing. Now the river's behind me and I'm over here. We're 50 feet above river level here. Each generator is 7 stories tall. You're only seeing the top 30 feet. Each one took 3 years to manufacture, assemble, and install. All of that work was done here on site. They brought in Each one produces 130 megawatts of electricity, which is enough for a small city of 65,000 homes. 56% of our power is allocated to Southern California, 19% Arizona, leaving 25% for Southern Nevada. Now, if you take a look at our first generator there, and the one before Nevada one, light on top indicates the generator's in operation. Go from the light to the walkway, and you will see a steel shaft spinning, 65 feet long, 38 inches in diameter, at the base connected to the Francis type water wheel. So as the water comes in through the penstocks against the water wheel is 60 miles an hour, spins the shaft 180 rotations per minute. Shaft then spins the rotor, thus creating the power. Now the rotor spins inside the red portion, that's the stator. Our rotors weigh 560 tons. So you might be wondering how we get them out for maintenance. Take a look at the American flag. It's being proudly displayed. Off an original bridge crane, go further down the bay, you have the sister crane. Each one of the cranes travels the entire length of the room with the rail system on sidewall, and each crane has a lifting capacity of 300 tons. So to do a rotor pick, we actually combine them, creating a crane with a 600-ton capacity. Now down here on the floor, behind the fence, is another type of a generator. It's called a Pelton water wheel generator. We have two. Each one produces 2.4 megawatts of electricity, and it's our in-house source of power. But this one also right here is the very first generator ever to produce power at Hoover Dam. The day it began operating September 11th, 1936. It was later in 1936 the first commercial generator began to operate. That was N2. 25 years later, in December of 1961, N8 was the very last generator to be installed. Now, if you take a look at the floor we're standing on, it's below us and throughout the power plant, been beautiful.
As a short circuit. Looking downward, midway on the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6